Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through an easy guide on how to add video in Store landing page. So for you to be able to add a video to your Store landing page, here's a simple workaround for that. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser and go to Store and sign in into your account using your account credentials. Then after that you have to go to the store editor. So from your dashboard, click the edit store or customize store. Then from there select a section to add a add a video. So choose where you want the video to appear. For example, maybe your main banner, or you can also select the about section or a new blog. So after that, click add section or add blog and then select video from the available option. So next you need to do is to upload or embedded a video. So you can either upload a video file directly from your device or paste a YouTube or Vimeo link to embed the video on your landing page. Then after that, you can use the editing tools to resize or reposition the video so it fits nicely on your page. The next thing to do is to save the changes. So click the save button or polished to make your video appear on your live Store, and that's how you can easily add video in Store landing page. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.